Hello everyone, this is Mr. No. Today I will show you one website. It's called Claude AI. It works similar to ChatGPT, but Claude is much better than ChatGPT, and it works with images also. You can transcribe handwritten notes. It can generate a receipt from a dish. It can understand objects and how they are used. So I'll show you how it works here. If you say generate suggest a receipt for this dish, after taking a photo based on the items that is on the plate, it will suggest. So these are the ingredients that it sees, right? So based on that, it's saying you can make this. So salmon recipe. So in this way, you can do various things with Claude that you are not able to do with ChatGPT, and the answers are also much clear. So let me ask some questions like, who do you think will win 2024 election in India? So it says my language base is only up to August 2023, so I don't have a specific amount about 2024 general election results. That said, based on the situation in India, some key factors that could include are these things. So based on that, it has given an answer. So it is much updated data. It has data up to August 2023. So it can transcribe handwritten notes. It can extract text from images. It can understand objects and how they are used. So let me show you another example. So what is this and what is it used for of an image? This is a binocular, I guess. So let's see. So this is a viewing scope or binoculars mounted on a platform. That is what it's saying. So let me ask, what is the cost of it? So it is difficult to provide an exact cost based on location and settings. So basic models go up to $1,000. It's what is it estimating. So let's see another example. So if you want to recommend style improvements, or if you want to write a code, so let's show you this. Now if you want to convert this design into a React component using Tailwind CSS, so it will give you the code. So this is the code Claude has generated. You can use this code for development. Now I'll show you a few other features. So it's saying understand this complex equation. If you want to solve this equation, let's say what is the equation for? Have you seen this equation? This is quadratic formula. So what is it used for? It is explaining. So recommend style improvements for this. So I am currently out of free messages until 10 p.m. That is because I'm using it very frequently. If I subscribe to Pro, I can use it.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.